are infinite.
Introducing the new magnetic reference point locator tool. It has the ability to transmit through 4 feet of concrete. The transmitter is placed on one side of the wall. The receiver can then be used on the other side of the wall when within range of the transmitter. Directional signals are given to help installers pinpoint the exact drilling location. All 4 arrows will illuminate when centered with the transmitter. It can be used to mark where to drill into walls, floors, roofs, and most type of structures found in buildings and homes. Using this tool helps prevent drilling holes in the wrong location, which can be costly and hazardous. It allows for accurate drilling without the need to measure. This reference point tool is accurate, simple, and easy to use.